I don't really hear it coming from this box here. I hear it more like it's coming out of the head right over here. So here's what it sounds like over here, and then I'll move to the head. And then I'm just gonna leave it here and rev it up. What do you guys think?